So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Binance P2P to acquire any cryptocurrency of your choice, especially BTC and Ethereum, and maybe BNB and other cryptocurrency without risking your account being blocked or in any way. It's just as simple as ABC. So first of all, if by now you don't have this Binance application, you just have to register and then go to your Google Play Store and download it, or iOS Store and download the Binance app. Alright, so this is doing it totally on a mobile phone, and it's just as simple as ABC. First of all, you have to click on the app Binance, and then you are going to have to log in, and most times you log in and notification is sent to your email or sent to your mobile phone number for you to be able to log in, and that is very good because it helps prevent your account from being hijacked. You can see, as for me, I am logged in, so everything I've gone through that process already, so that's why I'm here. Normally, initially, before now, you could deposit directly with card onto your Binance account, but due to the policy right now, doesn't support using card to deposit, so we might have to stop using card to deposit and focus on the P2P. The P2P is uh, just like acquiring these coins from your fellow countrymen and women, and even those that are outside, and then in exchange for the naira value, or maybe approximate dollar value that you might want to send to them. All right, so let's just go here. This section might be slow, so this card section is totally avoidable for now till things comes to normal again. All right, so this is where we are talking about here. This is where we are going to. All right, so what you going to do is click on P2P, and then when you click on P2P, you have USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, ETH, and DAI. So you can actually buy most of this currency and sell them and to your fellow countrymen, and you can see there are a whole lot of payment methods that you can actually use on these. Okay, so here you can see the exchange value for this person, exchange value for this person, and more and more and more as you go down the line. Okay, so normally the buy is supposed to be higher than this sell. All right, so let's look at this sell. Okay, or the buy is supposed to be higher than this sell. Most times the reason why you might see the sell looking a bit higher than the buy is because of the payment method here, which is this MTN payment method here. Just reverse the case, and if you switch the payment method, maybe if you are using a laptop or something. Okay, look at all payment methods. So let's look at something like bank transfer. All right, you want to buy or sell with bank transfer. Okay, let's say I want to buy. Okay, the 400 is about 800, and uh it seems I click on someone's profile. All right, I'm not buying this right now. I just want, it just an analogy that I'm trying to show to you guys here. I believe I might have clicked on that by mistake. All right, so Alright, I just need the filter that way. Okay, yeah, that's just what I wanted, just that filter. Alright, the buy is for buy USDT is 469, sell 499. I still have to regulate that. Okay, alright, it's okay. Let me just leave it like this. Alright, so if you want to buy BTC, is the same thing here. Like, you can directly sell your BTC here and then buy BTC here as well, and you can see the different payment method display, and you can see the different rates that these people are willing to give it to you at. So let's say you are okay with this, let's say this tiny switch, and you want to buy BTC from him. You can see his rate, and you can see the limit. The limit is about 200,000 and the maximum is about 800,000. This other person limit is about 50,000, maximum is about 164,000. And everybody have their limit. The first person here is the limit is about 50,000 and maximum is about 1 million naira. So it goes on and on and on and on and on. Okay, so you can literally buy from anybody here, and all you just need to do is to click on the profile and then enter the amount you want to buy, what I actually did initially. All right, so you can pay. This is their payment method, this person's payment method. All right, so you can actually make a direct bank transfer to this person's, and then you are done. You're done. It's just as simple as that. And you provide your wallet. The BTC will be sent to the provided wallet. All right, so you can buy BUSD, BNB, and Ethereum as well. So it's just all the same way. There's no differences. But if you want to get other currency, like after buying, then you can now go to convert and convert it from the current currency, I mean the current cryptocurrency you bought it at. Let's say if I bought it in BTC, I can just go ahead to convert it from the BTC or whichever currency I bought from the other side. Let's say what we bought was BTC. We can now convert it from BTC using this direct to whichever currency here that we have on the binance interface. So let me know if this video was helpful to you, and be sure that you subscribe to my channel. And if you like my video, if you like me to make video on a particular subject that you don't understand and you want me to make a review on them, subscribe, comment that below, and I will gladly do that for you guys. All right, see you in my next video.